Just like with widgets, we don't want to reinvent the wheel each time we start to add a big feature to our app. Login, authentication, network calls, what should we use? The answer is packages. Packages enable the creation of modular code that can be shared easily. We can use both Flutter and Dart packages. Some integrate with device APIs, such as the battery package. These are called plugins, as they interface with either the iOS or Android platforms. Others, such as the Firebase package, are just called regular packages. We already use the Material package, and we will also be using the Dart.io package to connect to our API. You can also write and publish your own packages. In order to use packages, we have to specify our dependencies in a pubspec.yaml file, which contains metadata for our app. Information that you include into pubspec include the name, version, description, authors, dependencies, and more. For Flutter applications, a dependency would be the Flutter SDK. We can also specify assets and fonts inside pubspec. When you make changes to pubspec.yaml, you'll want to run a Flutter packages get from the command line if your editor doesn't automatically do it for you. This gets or updates the required packages that your app depends on. Pub creates a .packages file that maps from package names to the actual URIs for these packages. Even though you import a large package, only the functions you use end up being compiled down to code in release mode. This is because Flutter uses tree shaking to remove redundant and unused code in the compilation process for the binary used in production. This way, you don't need to specify what specific classes you want to import, such as saying import material.dart show container. Now you just import the entire package and not worry about having unused dependencies. You can search for packages on the Dart packages site. Using packages and plugins can make your development that much more efficient. So when you have a new feature to write, first check whether there is already a package or two that can help you.